Good morning, students. Now, that is, I am going to explain here active and passive voice. Now, see, children, here. So, unit 2, that is active and passive voice. First, that is, let you know that is the rules for changing from active voice to passive voice. So, first one is here is object becomes here is subject. So, object of active voice here is becomes subject in here is passive voice. Next one rule is here is helping verb. Helping verb or be form based on here is tense. Third one is here is V3 past participle of the verb. Here is fourth one is preposition by. So doer of agent. Next, fifth one is here is subject became. So here is object. So here is 5 rules. So from active voice to passive voice. So first rule is here object becomes subject. Object of active voice becomes subject in passive voice. So next one is very important. Here is 95% of the students did a mistake in this area, in this part, that is tense. If they thought that it is present tense, but the sentence is past tense. So they wrote present tense helping verbs. So here is very important. So here is let you know the tense. Next third one is V3. But some students also there is they don't know there is a correct conjugation of V3. So next by, preposition by. So here doer of agent, action done by subject here. So we should write here by last one subject became object. Now let's see children. Here is examples of unit 2. First one, Michael's coach monitored the program carefully. Here is Michael's coach monitored the program carefully. But here is subject is Michael's coach. So when we have divided is we have to do from active voice to passive voice. First we have to devise subject, verb and object. If any sentence. So it is very easy. Then here is Michael's coach subject. Next monitored verb. Next the program. Here is object. Carefully is particular end of the sentences when we wrote past passive voice. So here is subject, verb and object. We have to divide S plus V plus O, that is AB. S plus V plus O. Next, here object becomes subject, means here the program. Object became subject. So next rule is here is helping verb. It is very important. So here helping verb is monitored. Monitored is here is past tense. ED, past simple. So what are the helping verbs in there? This is ED is we know that is V2. That is past simple. So we should write B forms was and verb. Was and verb. Was is used subject singular. Were used so were is plural. So we should use plural subject. So here check the subject singular or plural. So the program is singular. The subject, the program is here singular. So we should write here is the program was. The program was. Here next rule is V3. Monitor V3. That is monitored. Monitored. Here is V3. Here is V3. So object became subject, the program. Next Was is there, here is monitored, past simple. So here is there, we should write subject is singular. So here is was. Next is V3, conjugation of verb V3. Here is V3, monitor, monitored, monitored. Next, monitored, what about that? Carefully, carefully. Next, by. Fourth rule is here is by. Whom? Subject became object. Subject is Michael Scott. Michael Scott. So here is the program was monitored carefully by Michael Scott. By Michael Scott. So here is object became subject first element. Second one is helping verb. Third one is V3. Fourth one is by, and fifth one is subject became object. Here also passive voice also 5 elements. One is new subject. NS means here is new subject. Object became subject. Next one is here is helping verb. Next one is V3. Next one is by. Next one is new object. NO means here new object. NS means new subject. NO means here new object. So this is passive voice formula. The formula of passive voice is here is NS. So here is object became subject. It should be new subject. Next helping verb or B form. Next V3. Next by. Next new object. Subject became object. New object. So 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 elements of passive voice. We found 5 elements of passive voice. Next example. Chalo. A miss would get him second place. So you know that is here is a miss. So here a subject is there. Here is a miss subject. Would get, here is verb. Him is, here is object. Him is here object. So here is a miss would get. So previous sentence only verb is here is monitored, ed past tense, no helping verbs. But here is helping verb and main verb. So this is actually helping verb tense. This is a main verb. Him is object. So object became subject. Him became, here is he. Because the tense is here is future tense. Would will past form of would. So here is he would, no change. Here is no singular and no plural. Would is there, we should write would. Could is there, we should write here could. So he would, B form B. B form B. Shall, will, can, may. If any B form would, should, can, may. B form be there. So here is B form B. He, him became he. Would, be. Get, got, gotten. Here is get, got, gotten. He would be gotten by a miss second place. By a miss, here is second place. Here is just like that. Next example. Michael had increased his personal best by 9 9.5 inches. 9.5 inches. Here children, next example. Michael had increased his personal best by 9.5 inches. By 9.5 inches. Here is Michael's subject. Had increased his personal best by 9.5 inches is object. So object became subject. His personal best. Okay, here is by 9.5 inches. Object became subject. Had, here is their past perfect. Had. Be form be. Had been. So his personal best by 9.5 inches had been increased V3. Increased. So his personal best by 9.5 inches had been increased. Had been increased by Michael. By Michael. So his personal best by 9.5 inches had been increased by Michael. Okay, in this way, children, here is first example, past simple. Second example, here is future tense. Next, third example, had plus, this is main verb and helping verb, had plus V3, past perfect. Past perfect. Next example, see children, next example. He promised enlisted his mother. Now children, he, for example, he is doing exercises. He is doing exercises. That is, here is, subject. Subject is there. He is doing verb. Exercises, here is object. Continuous tense is there, children. Here, continuous tense. So, subject, verb and object. Object became subject. Exercises. Plural or singular? Exercise means here is plural. So, exercises, plural. So, we should write helping verb is are. Subject singular is there he. So, we must write here is he is because it is a present continuous tense. And one more important thing is in voice, especially active and passive voice, there will be no change of tense. So, if the tense is present continuous tense or present tense, so in passive voice is same tense. If the active voice is present tense, passive voice also the same, that is a tense. So he is doing exercises. Exercises are, because here is plural. He is singular, he third person singular. Because exercise means plural. Exercises are. Next here is doing. This is a continuous tense. This is a continuous tense. So being is there. Be form being. So exercises are being. Exercises are being. Why you should write being? Because here is main verb is inform. Main verb is here inform. So being. Exercise are being. Next V3 do did done. Do did done. Exercise are being done by. Exercises are being done by him. So you have a doubt. Why you have right? Because it is plural. Here the subject is plural. This is are should be plural. So he is third person singular. Third person singular. He is in third person. So this is the way of practicing grammar, especially active and passive voice children. So you have to practice grammar in your workbook. So I think we'll meet next class. See you children. Thank you.